Introducing Scarborough Smart Power Systems, SSPS, Schneider Electric's brand new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility built for world-class low-voltage power distribution. Schneider Electric's manufacturing roots in Scarborough stem from the 1930s, and this heritage still drives us today. £42 million invested right here in Yorkshire, strengthening our UK manufacturing legacy and powering the next chapter of innovation. With the UK's electricity demand expected to rise up to 40% by 2035, we're stepping up, expanding our capacity to produce the critical equipment needed for a cleaner, more sustainable energy landscape. This 16,500 square metre net zero facility sets a new benchmark for sustainable operations. An additional 30 EV chargers are hosted on site, increasing the local EV charging infrastructure and accelerating the transition to electric fleets.